Sickle cell is it's the main genetic condition that we have in the United Kingdom, but it's really misunderstood, and thalassaemia too. There needs to be more education, more awareness, and more understanding in the community as well, so they can empower themselves, because a lot of people are carriers and may not be aware of that.
I am the Executive Director of Friends of Cymru Sickle Cell and Thalassaemia. As the Executive Director, I'm actually working with families.
And I'm involved with the Second Saturday Club, and I help when we go on trips. I've been part of this for a long time, so it's just something that's part of my life now.
I just, help with different events that they do. It's come to different events, just like support the group.
One of the things that patients with sickle cell disease face, apart from it being a rare condition, is health inequalities.
It's really critical to highlight patients' voices, to shine a spotlight on a community that's long been neglected, and to begin to tackle and address some of the health inequalities here in Wales.
This type of event is really important for our families. This came from the families themselves. They said they wanted to learn more about housing, education, blood transfusion, and about things that's happened to them in the community and why.
I've been involved in this area since the early 80s, and I know it's so important to get the community together.
Organisations like Friends are essential. They are there to advocate for those who probably don't have the voice.
Oh, it's definitely positive, especially like for the people like myself who were born with sickle cell, and it's great to have like the support.
It's very important because it's a support network that we haven't got in the community, and it needs to be a lot bigger, so there can be a lot more people in the community supporting the families.
It's like as much awareness that we can give to sickle cell as possible, like anything I would say yes to, because it's just to make sure that the communities are heard.